crazy weather on a Sunday night. It was gray, and then the sky went totally black in like 5 minutes, and it would not stop storming, as you can see. The winds were pretty damn strong, and lightning bolts are awesome. I was just watching some Psych, and I decided, let's take a picture of a lightning bolt. So much harder than it looks, so I figured I'm gonna cheat and take a video. Craziness. It's like I'm in freaking Florida again. Guess that's enough for now. Wow, look at that flash. I love storms. The winds aren't as strong anymore though. Okay, I don't think there's gonna be anything else cool.